Racing as they settle for the last and final race tonight here at the San Lazaro Leisure Park. Shutter break quickly restored, going by the Ultra Rose. High chair confusion. Hail a star down on the inside. Quiet Girl, Billing Galing, River of Silver, Virginia. Then followed over by entering number 9, and this one is Mojito. And going along for the first turn, we have Shutter, the early leader by about 2 lengths. Right behind inside can is High Chair Confusion. Down on the inside comes Smoke. Entry number 2, and this one is Ultra Rose. Hail Star is on the outside. Down on the inside, Quiet Girl. Moving upon the outside, Mojito. EJ Forever comes next. Billingaling, River of Silver. While entry number 7, Virginia, is in behind them. Last 600 meters of the race, we have High Chair Confusion moving up in between horses. Hail Star is on the outside. Quiet Girl is down on the inside. 4 lengths further back in fourth comes Ultra Rose moving up on the outside. Billingaling, then comes Mojito. Next online Shutter moving up on the outside. Virginia, EJ Forever, while River of Silver is in behind the last base wing for room. We have High Chair Confusion moving up on the outside. Hail Star running by the rail is entry number 1, Quiet Girl, but it's still High Chair Confusion, followed by Hail Star moving upon the outside. Billingaling, and finally High Chair Confusion, Billingaling, Hail Star, then comes Quiet Girl.